Well, we've got carnage today. I came over to fold the fire up onto itself and drop the customer off the invoice he asked for. We're talking about ways that I can finish up the job cheaper. And my suggestion was going to be, since it's his skid steer, the son can manage the fire and sort all of this rubbish out of this stump dump. So I just figured, well, you know what? I'm going to come over with the dozer and I'll just break the pile up and push the stuff down to make it easier so that the kid can quickly get his part of the job done. And I was backing up and I hooked my freaking back attachment on a buried truck rim. I couldn't see it, but I hooked it and I heard a snap. I couldn't back up anymore. So I said, oh man, I got to go up and over this pile. So I drive forward, I go over the pile. Of course, I hook a stump and I break the second mount off the bottom, a 1-inch piece of 1-inch stub. I mean, it's not a small pin, it's sheared. So I shear that off. And of course, then that folds completely up. It forces the winch into the back of the cab. It crushed a spray paint can, which blew all over the back of the machine. So I just dumped a can of blue paint across my yellow machine. Folded this attachment all into junk, which used to fit a bunch of stuff. I guess I'll chop that back up into something else. So that's a little bit of an aggravating start because I'm supposed to be taking that trailer back home and doing a welding job for another customer who hires me to run a skid steer and pays me really well. So, yeah, aggravating.